What's happening, everybody? Welcome to another video. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, what are you doing? Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, because I'm sure you're going to be informed. So what we're talking about here is when you are working for a rideshare company, you receive a 1099 tax form. Now, what is a 1099 tax form? It is an independent contractor's tax form. And what that means is that taxes are not automatically taken out of your checks. And to be perfectly honest, in my opinion, this is not a fun thing, because you are responsible for paying the government by April 15th. So you have to, keep track of, how much you owe to the government. I couldn't tell you what the percentage is. I've heard 20%, I've heard 25%, I've heard 33%. I have no idea. That's why this is my first year with GrubHub, and for tax time, I'm going to go to an accountant that knows what they're doing and can figure it out for me. So with that being said, there is a plus side to being an independent contractor. Now, what the plus side is that you can write things off towards your taxes so you won't owe as much at the end of the year. Now, what does this mean? What this means is that for instance, the vehicle I am in, I have a 2017 Mazda 3, okay? I actually leased this vehicle for, a couple $100 a month just to do GrubHub with. Now, I know that sounds extreme. A lot of people may not do that, but I had a Jeep, or I still have a Jeep, and it's an older Jeep. It's a 2005 Grand Cherokee, and I noticed in my first week of driving with GrubHub, I was putting on a ton of miles, and it was eating gas, like just unbelievably eating gas, because it's a V6. I have a ton of work done to it, so I literally could watch my gas tank like empty. It was so bad. So I said, I have to look into getting a vehicle. So I leased this car. It's better on gas. It's a 4-cylinder. And it was a good move. Now, I can write off a percentage of my monthly payments of the car. I can write off a percentage of the maintenance for the vehicle, like oil changes, tire rotations, brake stuff, having your brakes changed or whatever. And a big one is gas. You can write off your gas, which is, a lot of people don't know that. And since you're going to be burning through gas like crazy if you work as much as I do, you're going to want to write these things off. So anything that has to do with contributing to your job, that being a GrubHub delivery driver, you have a lot of things that you can write off. And if you want me to either make another video, or if you have questions about what things you can write off, whether or not you can write it off, let me know in the comments section down below. I will do my best to reply to as many comments as possible. But yeah, so that should pretty much cover it. So there are pros and cons to having a 1099 tax form and being an independent contractor. So with that being said, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, do that. Hit the like button. We might do a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Not sure what yet, but I'd like to be able to give back to my community here whenever that begins. So thanks so much for watching. Subscribe. Today's secret comment code is going to be the Taxman. Comment the Taxman down below, or comment whatever the view count is on this video when you're watching it. But that's it, guys and girls. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Happy driving.